Hi guys, Russ here from Wilson Land and Cattle Company. Today we're going to be trimming the donkey up. His feet are getting a little bit long, needs trimmed up. It kind of always gets put on the afterburner, put on the back shelf, I guess you could say. He's always out with the bulls, and so his feet get a little bit long on us, and we're going to get them trimmed off today. Come on, bud. We'll show you how we do it. I think for the most part, most people could trim their own horses and donkeys if they're just trimming. And I'll show you how we do it here today. I use a hoof jack with the donkeys. The donkeys don't seem to like to have their feet trapped. They don't like it. So we don't fight them with it. We just use the hoof jack. Now, being his feet are so long, I'm gonna have to take some of the sole out. We'll pair some of the sole out with this pair of nippers here. That's a pair of straight nippers, and then this here's a pair of curved nippers. All in all, for all the more he gets trimmed, he only gets trimmed about twice a year. His feet aren't really that bad. Hang on to that for me, bud.
Yeah, I should be able to.
Okay, you can see here that one foot's getting a little bit long. We're going to go ahead and trim that off.
Don't forget to check this other foot. Looks similar.
We're going to do them all, bud. Doesn't make sense to do only one.
Yeah, well, this one looks about the same as that one.
Well, let's get it.
About symmetrical.
Come on, Jack, pick up. And as far as Jack donkeys go, he's actually fairly good with his feet. As long as we don't trap them.
Yeah, as long as we don't trap them, like most donkeys are.
See there, kind of looks ugly. Go ahead and pare some of the sole out. You gonna rub his ears for me?
I can only do it with one hand though. So that's the best I can do. With one hand.
Just took that off his foot. Get it paired up. That. Give it to me. Hey.
Wow, here, we should probably take the burrs out of his ears.
Well, don't play with it right now. We're trying to trim them.
I'm not. I'm just rubbing his ears.
Oh. Hey! Hey! You see there, whenever you trap a donkey, they don't like it. They don't like it. The rasp. Pick up. Come on. Pick up.
Not too happy with He's unhappy with us today.
It's alright. He's not doing too bad. Come on. Pick up. Pick up. This is kind of what we want his foot to look like when we're done trimming it. You gotta remember the angles on a donkey's foot is a lot steeper than the angles on a horse's foot. Come on. You know, the reason I'm paring some sole out is because he's super long. And a horse mule, or donkey you trim every 6 to 8 weeks, you don't need to pare the sole.
His back's as bad as his fronts?
No.
Okay.
Backs are never as bad as the fronts.
Yeah, 'cause the fronts are usually what go before the back feet.
Fronts go faster than the backs, bud.
Yeah, don't know why. Probably because the front feet are the ones that get hit the most, and the back feet, the front feet basically take it while the back feet.
Front feet carry 2/3 of their body weight.
Well, that would explain quite a bit.
Rasp.
Here you go.
Okay, that back foot's done. See there? Nice pretty angles on them. Put her down there, bud. Move them head just a little bit so you can show that foot off.
Come on. Come on, bud. Come on.
Come on.
He doesn't want to.
He's locked up. Move him head a little bit. There you go. You can see there, that foot looks a heck of a lot better. So is this one. Okay, I'll go to the other side and get the pick up. Come on. Yeah, he'll be a lot happier once we get this done.
Yeah.
Hey. 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 Hey.
Always one foot. There's always be one foot.
Hey.
like the bug.
Pick up. Pick up. Come on. Snowballs, you just take a hammer or a pair of tongs or something, just hit the side of the foot, those snowballs pop right out. And then you have to do it again because he put his foot down. Hey! He rubbed his ears once, maybe he'll stop. Pick up. Come on. Pick up. Ah. Hopefully we can get this done before he throws a fit on us. Hey!
Go anywhere.
Good boy. It's not the prettiest job, but he gets his feet leveled back up. Hey! Donkey for you. Come on. Pick up. Oh. Take that little tip off there first. That's how she should look. Step him up, bud. Get him under. Get his feet under him. Good. Perfect. That didn't take long. It took about 20 minutes. You see here, 19 minutes and 29 seconds. Okay guys, got the jack donkey trimmed up. And this calf here has been weaned for 24 hours. There's no bawling, no nothing. That calf is quiet and peaceful. Other than being a little bit on the high-headed and crazy side, she's okay. Then this here is one of our mature bulls. Cedric's 10 years old. He's the guy that did most of the taking the frame score off our cows. He's done good for us. But they're still out here grazing. Walker just moved them into a new section here yesterday. He's been taking care of them. And they got enough grass probably in this field to get them through until the end of February. Okay guys, I got the donkey trimmed up. Hopefully that helped you out. You know, instead of calling a farrier out, maybe you should buy a hoof trimmers and a rasp and a hoof knife. That's all you need to trim your animals. And you know, this is a jack donkey that's gets his feet trimmed twice a year.
Oh, be careful.
And you can see that he isn't too bad.
He likes pants, though.
He does. He's a pain in the butt. Anyhow, okay guys, please subscribe, like, comment, share with a friend, hit that notification bell, and we'll see you later.
Bye.